Ready to set the ridge. We've got the post on this end with a saddle where we can drop the ridge into, and then over on the other end here got kind of the same thing, just a couple of 2x10s screwed to those studs and into the rafter, and then a couple of 2x4s screwed to that the ridge will drop into, and it'll sit on top of those 2x10s. And then we can do a little fine tuning, get it perfectly level, adjust the height to match the existing roof as necessary, and then start putting on rafters. So here's the ridge. This is a 24-foot 2x10. Not really a ridge beam, it's more like a ridge board. It's not structural in that it's not holding up the roof, but it will have some structural properties to it. But this roof is going to be a traditionally framed roof, so it's got ceiling joists, a ridge board with 2x8 rafters with collar ties. So the rafters are really holding up the weight of the roof, unlike some of the other roofs we've done on this house where there's actually a true structural ridge beam, and the weight of the roof is mostly on the beam and the posts at either end. We'll have 2x10 floor joists going, ceiling joists going across the top, countering the outward force of the rafters, and collar ties on the rafters to do the same. So this will be more of a traditional framed roof where the ridge is not really structural, it's just something to hang the rafters on. So we're just about ready to drop it in there. We'll do that next and then start framing the roof.